The next person I interviewed was Paul Mazer. As I noted in the previous, Mr. Mazer is an associate the Erie County Forensic Lab, which is located in Buffalo, New York. Mr. Mazer also confirmed, along with Mr. Desire, that no two people shared the same DNA, with the exception of identical twins. Particularly, DNA is exact for both blood and tissue samples. They contain the same genetic material. There's going to be no alteration in it. Particularly with the Erie County lab, the lab conducts the loci test or alleles test, and this consists of 10 of the 10 out of the 15 sets that are required for positive identification. Mr. Mazer also noted that each crime lab has their own set of protocols, and currently there is no nationwide set of procedures to go about and to examine DNA evidence for profiling. Mr. Mazer also mentions that the forensic examiners in Erie County use statistics to confirm that the material in question is one and unique. Particularly with this lab, the examiners must verify that the sample is 3 billion to 1, meaning that if you were to take 1 to 3 billion, meaning that if you out of 3 billion people the sample, you would not be able to find it within those people. Mr. Mazer also talks about, like, genetic-wise, that there is some similarities between family members to some degree, such as a brother, sister, mother, aunt, and uncle, cousin. They share a similar genetic makeup, but they won't have the exact same genetic profile. The third and final person that I interviewed was a representative from the FBI CODIS unit. This lab, for those who are unaware, is in Quantico, Virginia. The lab also conducts the loci test, in which the examiners look at the hills and valleys, which is called peaks in a sample. They also double-check, cross-check with other nationwide databases to confirm that the sample is one unique. Particularly with this lab, the protocols are set by federal legislation, and as of right now, the federal legislation has passed a guideline that the lab must use 13 approved locations in order to establish positive identification. The federal legislation that was passed, which the Quantico lab used, is called STR Loci Standard Test.